Hello dear traders, welcome back here one more time with Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Let's continue our journey in the play to earn NFT games, and we're talking about Age of Knights. Here you have your starter kit. Sorry, I today pronounce very strange. If you still don't know what is Age of Knights, you have the video before this one that I explain what is Age of Knights, and we create together as first army for earn dollars every day. And now I want to prepare for you one starter kit that you can have a choose in different ready legends, for you can have an idea how to create yours and how much money you can earn with that investment. So let's start. Okay, this is PNG file that you can download in the Lion Bull Academy Telegram or in the Discord channel of Age of Knights. Okay, I create specially for you can have a small starter kit for know how much you invest and how much you will earn with that investment. So here I prepare for you some different legends with his respective initial investment, and his profit. Let's start with the first one. Okay, this is the cheapest legend I was able to create from the marketplace. The initial investment was $36. We have 2 warriors and 1 ship of 2 stars. Okay, that was the initial, and we spent $36. I here don't include the price for create the legend. Is 50 cents for unit. We have 1, 2, 3 units, will be $1.50 for create this legend, but I don't include it here, don't need it, I think. So you will need also $60 in beer for 30 days. This is just for you can start the game without worries in the 30 days. It means $1 of beer is cost for each warrior a day. Okay, you have 2 warriors, $1 and $1 each day, 30 days, in total is $60 is here. Here in the reward part, I already included the beer tax inside. This means I put you a clean earn with a already you restore your beer and how much you will earn each day, included the beer price. Example. In the initial investment of $36, we're gonna go in the cavern 1, and we have a win ratio of 97%, so almost sure. Exists a small probability, but it's very rarely. But let's say we end up losing 1 time a week. For 4 weeks, it means 1 month, we end up earning $72. It means you earn $3 a day. I already counted that you have. Normally you earn $5 in the cavern 1, but I already take it away. $1 for this beer and $1 for this guy beer also. They are very drunk guy. So I take it away the dollar for each one, and I make the clean profit. A month you will earn $72 in these 30 days. $72. If I take out the initial investment of $36, will be for you clean in your pocket $36. So very nice. You restore your ROI, you make a return of investing is already in your pocket, plus other $36 in your pocket. It means you already make 100% profit in just 1 month. That was very interesting and intrigue for me in this play to earn game. That was really very interesting for me like an investor. Now, if I lose 2 times a week, every week, in a month I will earn $60. If I take it out my initial investment, I will be earning completely free, with no one extra tax, $24 in my pocket after the 30 days finish. And if you lose 3 times a week for 4 weeks, you will earn $48 after taking out your initial investment. You will have completely free in your pocket $12. And if you, because you have a 97% probabilities, you win all the 7 days a week, you will earn $84. After take back your ROI, you will have $48 in your pocket. That was, I think, one of the best ways to earn money and cheaper immediately. Really, really nice. Now, let's say you want to make $4 a day instead of 5. So here you have instead of 3, because here you have 2 warriors, and then will cost you 1 beer each one a day. So you will end up in the cave 1 earning only $3 a day. But if you have only 1 warrior, you're already making half that one, and you can earn $4 a day because you spend only $1 in beer. So the initial investment, I find the cheapest one, I find it in the market, was $60 initial investment. $50 for the night of level 3, 106 MP power, and 39 life. So you need to keep also in mind that after finishing the 30 days, you still have some life left that you can still use it your warrior. I find $50 and $50 the warrior and $10 the ship. In total, $60 invested plus $30 of beer. Cavern 1, 97% win ratio. If we lose one time a week, every week for a month, we earn $96. After taking out as initial investment of $60, we will have $36 in a pocket. If we lose two times a week, we earn $80, $20 in a pocket completely free. If we lose 3 times a week for 4 weeks, we earn $62 and we'll have in a packet $2. So in the worst of the situation, you still earn $2 in 1 month. And if you win everyone, because you have 97% probability, so it's the more probable that that's gonna happen, you earn $112 in the months and $52 completely free in your packet. So that's also interesting to keep in mind. Now let's see the other way now in the cavern number 2. You have here a 95% probabilities. This legion was cost $122 plus $1.50 for create this legion, because 50 cents for each unit for create the legion, and the beer it's 2 warriors, so $60. But the initial investment for this legion is $122. We don't count the beer because the beer will restore every day very faster. So if we lose 1 time a week for 4 weeks, we will end up at the end of the month with $192 earned and $70 free of charge in a packet. If we lose 2 times a week, we're gonna end up with $160 a month and $38 free of charge in us packet. It means that we restore us initial investment and plus get $38 in us a packet. We have new $38 for reinvest in something else. If we lose 3 times a week for 4 weeks, we have $128 and we will earn only $6 at the end of the month that we can reinvest, or you can pass to any other crypto or just put in dollars and use it. That's up to you. But because it's 95% still probable that you will make all the 7 times in a row, will be $224 earned in the month and $102 in your packet free of charge. Okay, this is in the cavern number 2. Now another example for the cavern number 2, let's say I almost forget to explain. In the cavern number 2 you earn normally $10, but because you have 2 nights, I already count the beer in that one, so you will earn here $8 a day. In the cavern number 2, if you have only 1 night, you will earn $9 a day. But I explain you why for me this one was too expensive for really what you're gonna earn here. You will your initial deposit, initial investment will be $145, $135 for the night and $10 for the ship, and will cost you $1 for create the legion. So in 1 month, if you lose 1 time a week for 4 weeks, will be $216. That is $71 earned. Here you can see is 70, so the difference is not so much. If you lose 2 times a week, you will earn $180 and after you restore your ROI, your initial investment, you will get 35 for you. If you lose 3 times a week for 4 weeks, you will earn 144 and you will be minus $1 at the end of the month. That was what I don't like it so much. But if you win all the 7 days a week for 4 weeks, you will have 252. There will be $107 or win. But you can see here is the difference is so less that I prefer to invest a little bit less, but at least get always profit, doesn't matter the situation. Now let's go to the cavern number 3. That is a little bit more expensive to enter. I choose again 2 warriors, one that I was wanting the cavern 2, plus one that I have it of 62 MP. That is $15 extra. So $172 just for $15 extra from this initial investment. 15, okay, and $10 more here because it's $12 more here. So in total, you end up investing more, $272. Cavern number 3. Now the win ratio is 93, but still we can try to get the 7 day in a row. Still can happen. If you lose 1 time a week for 4 weeks, you earn 312. After take back your initial deposit, you will have 140 free for you in your packet. If you lose 2 times a week for 4 weeks, 260, that will be in your packet $88. If you lose 3 times in a week, that is 208, you will still have $36 in your packet. But if you win all of them, all the 7 days a week for 4 weeks, 364, after you take back your ROI, your return of initial deposit, of initial investment, you will get $192 in your packet. Okay, I was just want to show you the difference that you need to calculate very good in which cavern you want to be and why. Just for a little bit more, something like $27 more, just $27 more can change completely your strategy. Just $27 more. Now let's make one example with the cavern number 9. We have 4 knights and 4 ships. In totally, for create this legion will cost you $4 for create it. I don't include it here in the price always. The initial investment would be $580. 81% ratio win, so the probably we stay always between 1 and 2. Difficult that we're gonna stay in the 7, and can happen sometime the 3. So we need to keep that in mind. If we lose 1 time a week for 4 weeks, we will earn $984, and we will have free after take back as initial investment $404. If we make 2 losses a week for 4 weeks, $820, and we will have in our packet $240. If we lose 3 times a week for 4 weeks, we will have $665, and we will have in our packet $85. And if we win all the 7, that I unlikely gonna happen, but you know, it's also luck there, you will earn $1,148. There will be in totally $568 in your packet. So now you can see that it's very, very important to create good your legion for earn good investment here. Here you have some example. Remember, you can download in my Telegram in Lion Bull Academy or in the Discord channel of Age of Knights. Great people. You have in English and in Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese. So they have also many language there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Here I almost forget. I show you the caverns. This is the number 1, $5. The number 2, give it $10. The number 3, give you $15. And the number 9 that I will show the last example will give you $45. So now that you have a little bit idea how to start, this was your starter kit. Now you know how to invest your first money in this game and start passive earning, almost passive income every day. So thank you one more time for looking the video, and see you next time. Ciao guys.